Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing Spider-Man.
Everyone's favorite superhero. So come join us, make sure you like and subscribe, and everyone have fun.
Alright everybody, let's get started with Spider-Man.
I'm excited, let's
So
go.
am I. So what we're doing is Spider-Man's going to be hanging upside down.
Okay.
So we're going to flip our paper
Okay.
upside down.
Okay.
And we're going to start with his head.
Okay, cool. So when we're done, we flip our paper, he'll be like falling off the web upside down.
A web, yeah.
Okay,
It's
sounds
going to be
good.
cool.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the bottom of his head, and it's
Okay.
going to be like a U. So
Okay.
I'm going to come here, and I'm going to make something that looks like a letter U,
Okay.
or kind of like a bowl.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to close it off, and we're going to make like an egg shape.
Okay.
So we're going to come in and then to the top.
Okay.
So I'm going to come in more.
How nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
that was great.
Awesome.
We could do like some details on his face. I
Okay.
don't want to do all the details because they're fun. But what we're going to do is I'm going to draw one vertical line that goes almost all the way down. And it's just right in the middle of his head.
Okay.
I'm going to come down with
This
a
is
vertical
probably a
line.
detail in his mask too.
Yeah,
Okay.
perfect. Right under this vertical line, we could draw an oval on its side. This is going to be his nose.
Okay.
And it's pretty small.
Okay.
And then we could do his eyes. So his eyes, what we're going to do is right somewhere in the middle of this line towards the bottom, I'm going to draw a little curve like a rainbow. It's super tiny.
Gotcha.
And then I'm going to draw a diagonal line going to the right, just like this, almost to the end of his face or his mask,
This is the top of his eye.
the top of his eye. And then just another straight line that's like a diagonal, almost to the side of his face. And then for his actual eye, it's going to be like a big smiley face or like a bowl connected from this point of the line and that point.
Okay. Okay.
Cool. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So like all the stripes and the webs we'll do after.
Okay.
So that's like the fun part.
Got it.
But then we could continue with his body. So we're going to start with his arms. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in on his face and I'm just going to make a curved line like the letter C that's backward. Yep. And then we'll do like a regular C on this side. And then right next to his arms are going to be his legs. So we're going to do two diagonal lines. And this diagonal is going to go to the right, just to the side like this. And then we'll do the same thing to the left. And then what we could do is we could do like where his knees are going to be, because his legs are going to be bent. We're just going to make one curve that comes in.
Okay.
So I'm going to make a curve just like this. And
Awesome.
then do the same to the other side.
Okay.
Perfect. And that space you left, what we're going to do is right in the middle of that space, we could draw the web. So
Got
it's
it.
going to be two vertical lines.
That's super cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it's going to be a super skinny line because we also have to draw his feet.
Okay.
So I'm just going to draw a vertical line that goes all the way down his paper.
Okay.
And it's almost to this. So like if you come across this, you're just going to come down more. And you're just going to draw a vertical line that goes down. Perfect.
Okay.
And then you're going to draw one right next to it, and it's going to be super skinny.
This
so
is
not
web
too
then,
thick.
right?
This
Okay.
is his web, yeah. That's pretty straight.
I tried.
Yeah, and then we're going to draw his feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to curve to the web. So I'm going to curve almost like a slide,
I got
or
the
like the
vision.
letter J. That's his foot, and then we'll do the same thing here. So like a backwards J or like a slide.
Got
So
it.
that's his outline of his body.
Okay.
Yours looks great.
It looks alright.
I love it.
All right,
No,
thank
it
you.
looks good. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue with like the details. So what we're gonna do is from this point of his eye, just like a little in, we're gonna make a curve. So I'm gonna curve to his eye just like this. And then we're gonna do one more towards the edge of his eye,
Got
almost
it.
at the end. And then we could do the same thing on this side.
Okay.
And then we'll continue at the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pretend I went through his mask, and
Okay.
towards the bottom here, I'm gonna curve to his face. And then this one,
Same thing.
no, we're actually gonna go in more. So
Okay.
it's gonna be like in the middle, like exactly in the middle of
Okay.
the eye, and curve it to the side of his
Okay.
face. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. So this one's on the edge.
Okay.
Perfect. And then from his nose, what we could do is on the corners, we'll curve out to the bottom of his face. Then
Okay.
we'll do the same thing on the other side.
It's like a mirror. So we do the one side to the other side. Okay.
Yeah.
This
And
is super
then
fun.
what we could do is we could do like right under his nose, we're gonna make one curve that connects the two lines, just like this. And then we'll do one at the bottom. So this one's gonna be bigger, and we're just gonna curve
Like
it
a
here.
frown. Okay.
Like a frown, yeah. That's part of his mask.
Okay.
And then from this one, we're gonna curve up to his eye. So I'm gonna come here, and I'm just gonna curve to his eye, just like that. And same thing on this side. And then we're gonna do one right here at the bottom. So like if we were to continue here, we'll just curve right at this
And
point
just
as well.
Connect these.
Yep.
Same
And
size.
then connect this.
Okay.
Yep. And then we'll do the ones on the top. So what I'm gonna do is right on the eye, I'm gonna curve here to this line. And then I'll continue here, and we're just doing curves.
Okay.
That continue.
This is a
through his
detail in
mask.
Spider-Man's mask.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
And then we'll do ones on top, but these are like smiley
Opposite,
faces.
right?
Yep.
Yeah. So they're gonna be like
So we're gonna
U's.
go up like a U,
If you know Spider-Man, you know how his mask
continue.
looks. Okay. That's super cool.
and then the last one.
I like it.
And that's his mask.
Yay. Okay.
Yeah, so then we could continue with his arms. So
Okay.
we have his arms, his leg, and the details.
Okay.
So his arm's gonna be super skinny. It's gonna be the same shape. So I'm gonna curve like a backward C, and I'll stop right there. Same thing on the other side.
My marker's flowing right now. Feel it.
And then we could do the details of his hands. So
Okay.
what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a curve like a rainbow to connect these 2 points. And then we'll bring
Okay.
these down a little bit too. And then we'll do that curve like the rainbow. And then his hands are gonna touch the wires.
He's holding the webs.
Or the webs, I'm
Yeah.
sorry. I'm gonna make this a little longer just because I want his arms to go up more.
Okay.
And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make one line that curves to the top of the web. And then we're gonna do the same thing at the other point.
Okay.
So I'm gonna curve to the web, but not all the way. So I'm actually not gonna touch the web. That's fine.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make one diagonal line to connect those points.
Okay.
And then we'll do the same thing to the other side. And then we could do the details of his body. So he has like the spider logo on his chest, right?
Yeah, of course. That's his signature logo.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave a little bit of space, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw one vertical line that connects to his face, to his arm. So I'm gonna come like this, and I'm just gonna come down to his arm. And then
Okay.
we'll do the same thing. And then we're gonna do one horizontal line right across, leaving a little bit of space too. So let's say that much space.
Okay.
I'm just gonna do one horizontal line that touches his other arm.
Okay.
And in the middle of the square, we're gonna draw the spider.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw almost like an oval. So what I'm gonna start with is just like a little rainbow right in the middle.
Okay.
And then we're gonna come down vertical
Okay.
on both sides. And then we're gonna come in as if we were making a triangle. So 2 diagonal lines that touch each other. That's
it.
the spider's body.
Got
right?
it. Okay.
And then for his arms, we're gonna make a curved line that goes up. So just like this. And then for this one, we're gonna come out like a horizontal line and then come up just a little bit diagonal. Yep, and same thing on the other side. And then for his feet, we'll just do lines that curve out.
Hooks. Okay.
So we're gonna curve out, and then we're gonna do one more like the diagonal, the horizontal
It
line.
comes out a little bit and then down.
Perfect. So we did like a horizontal line and a diagonal line that went down.
Got it. Okay.
Now we have our spider.
Nice. I like it.
And then we could do little stripes like we did on his face, on his body.
Okay.
So right in the middle of the spider, I'm gonna draw one vertical line, but I won't pass through the spider.
Got it.
And I'll pretend that we did and do the same right at the point of his bottom.
Nice.
Perfect. And then we'll do one right next to his leg. So I'm gonna draw one vertical line like this
These are the details in his suit, right?
in his suit,
Okay.
correct? I'll do the same to the other side.
Got it.
And then we're gonna do horizontal lines.
Okay.
So right above the spider's head is where I'll probably draw one.
Your
so
first
I'll
one
just
right here.
come right across the whole box that we made in the middle.
Okay.
And
Nice.
then we'll continue. We could do like 2, 3 more. Whatever
Okay.
you guys think.
We can pass one through the middle, but not going over the spider, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So we could do that in his body. I'll do one right here. Not
Oh, I see.
passing through
Yeah.
his body, and then I'll go all the way to the other side.
Got it. Okay. I need to draw this one here. Can I have
No.
this one?
Okay.
Oh, got it. Okay, it's
I
alright.
said in the little square.
In the square, I got it. Okay.
And then we'll do it here. That's okay. It's the same thing. It's still part of his suit. We'll just continue making the horizontal lines.
I'm just gonna draw one down here, just for good measure. That's it. That's my
Perfect.
Spider-Man suit.
And then we'll do like the
I
details.
see what you did. So I drew them in here,
Uh-huh.
and you left space in here.
I just
okay.
left them at the
okay,
box.
so okay, that's fine. So if you guys need to rewind the video and do it again, just make sure you leave space inside the box. Okay.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna, right from his point of his hand,
Mhm.
right, this sip point, we're gonna make a little hook like a J, come into the web. Just like this. This is details of his boots. Or of his shoes.
Got it.
Same thing on the other side, just the opposite way.
Okay.
And then for his leg, we're gonna make a curved line just somewhere on his hand
That goes
that
out.
curves to his leg.
Got it.
Mm-hmm. Do the
Same thing on the
here.
other side. Okay.
Yeah. And the last detail that we have is just to make a curve right here. So right on his leg, we'll just curve to the web like a frown, just like that. And then we'll do it on the other side.
Just attach it right here and hook it. Okay.
And that's it.
So if you turn it around,
He's hanging from a
he's
web.
hanging upside down. I love it. I
That's so
love
cool.
it. That was a super simple one. I like it. I like that he's hanging upside. You know, most Spider-Mans, they either show the face or him standing. I love that this one is hanging like that from a web. That's Spider-Man's best form, and it's super cool.
Yeah,
It was super fun.
it's awesome.
What's next?
To color it in.
We're gonna color it in?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, guys, so you guys can pause the video, color in how you guys want to color it in. Fast forward it when you're done if you want, and then see how we colored ours. All right, grab a marker, color it in, have fun.
All right, guys, so there we have Spider-Man.
Super fun, super easy. Everyone's favorite Marvel character. Again, I like how he's falling from a web. This is super cool. I
Yeah.
did mine orange and navy blue. You did the classic colors.
I did. Also, I wanted to show you guys, I was going to draw like a little oval right here, so it looks like the shadow of his head. So I was just going to color in like a little oval.
Oh, that's cool. Like if the light's falling this way, it
Yeah.
casts a shadow on the bottom.
There's always shadow when there's sun out, so it's just like a little oval right here.
That's super cool. That's a
And it
nice
looks
little
like-
detail.
He's hanging.
That's super cool.
So yeah, guys, I hope you guys had fun.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please help us with the channel, help us with the algorithm.
Yeah, and there we have it. There's
Thank you guys.
Spider-Man.
What's next?
Maybe another superhero?
Another superheroes. Do
Yeah.
more Marvel. I like Marvel. Thank you guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.